Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Macbook. This prevents shorts and preserves the logic board. Once done, clear a well-lit, static-free workspace and lay out tools, a small Phillips, Torx, spudger, and fine tweezers. Make sure to remove any glued covers and take a quick photo of the keyboard layout and screw positions so you can reverse the process precisely. Now get ready to open the case. Work slowly, keep screws organized, and keep fingers grounded to avoid static damage. Once the bottom is off, locate the keyboard and the spacebar stabilizer, a long bar or 2 clips depending on model. You need to detach the keycap by gently prying an outer edge with the spudger. Be careful with the plastic clips. Examine the scissor mechanism and rubber dome for broken pieces and remove debris using compressed air or a lint-free swab. If residues remain, dampen the swab with 90% isopropyl and clean around the dome. Avoid saturating the board and let it dry completely. Finish by installing replacement scissor clips or a new rubber dome if damaged, then reseat the stabilizer bar so the spacebar presses evenly. When you snap the keycap back on, press gently across its length to confirm tactile response. Reattach the bottom panel, reconnect power and boot. Test the key in text edit and system preferences. If it's intermittent, reset the SMC or PRAM, run Apple Diagnostics, and if the problem persists, seek professional board-level repair. Sometimes the issue is a membrane or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.